Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer project progress in Smartsheet to Tableau. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and sign in to your account. Navigate to the project you want to transfer progress from. Select the relevant columns that contain the project data, such as task names, statuses, and progress percentages. Click on the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the sheet. Choose the option to export your data. Select Export to Excel from the available options. Save the Excel file to your computer, ensuring you remember the location. Open Tableau Desktop on your computer. On the main screen, click on Connect to a file. Select Microsoft Excel from the list of connection options. Locate the Excel file you previously saved and click on it to open. In the Data Source tab of Tableau, check that all the necessary columns have been imported correctly. Make any adjustments, such as renaming columns or setting data types, if needed. Once satisfied with the data, click on Sheet 1 to start creating your visualization. Drag the required fields into the rows and columns area to create your desired view. Customize your visualizations by adding filters, colors, and labels as necessary. Use Tableau's tools to enhance your dashboard, focusing on clarity and key insights. After completing your dashboard, save your Tableau workbook for future access. Optionally, publish your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Online for easier sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.